Pag meron din magbabalik ha. Tignan mo yan, Jenny Carejo, naka-uniforme.
Important players, but I've seen this girl play
Si Jessa Toro.
Lady Red Warriors. Center number. And now the starters for the College of...
Familiar name sa panig ng St. Benilde. Jen Basarte, Christy Ondangan, ang UE. And here we go! Opensa kagad, pinakita.
And to think that offset na rin siya, tapos medyo galing sa middle yung attack. But look at that attack. Ayan, middle din yung palo.
Tatlo
sa middle. Parang very different.
Oo. At kung sanay ka talaga na hindi sa middle na pupunta yung mga offset eh. It's somehow a way to throw off the defense eh.
But I like it.
Oo.
Kasi, ayan, middle na naman, di ba? That was a be quick. Tsaka powerful na.
Kahit Jenny Basarte na iwanan yung distribution ng opensa dahil graduate ng Kasikloan Montañedo. Now playing for Zeus Coffee sa PBL. In the meantime, Doro connecting again.
Sinasabi natin kanina na she poses a threat in the offense as an open hitter. Talagang she re-owned that
The
position.
Lady Blazers getting their bearings back. Trailing by one and Sam Nolasco.
Baka sabay na mag-jogging tong dalawang.
The St. Benilde Blazers.
At napapatango pa. Kanina, habang nagkukwento ka ako'y napapatango yung dati niya player na si Ana Gupico.
Very important talaga yung attitude when it's... That was Densing off the block. That yung first ball and yung defense.
Kasi naliligo na sa attack points ang UE. Densing, no. Estoque, finding the open spot, pero may nakahabol. Ecalia, deflected by Densing. Estoque, couldn't get it. Ecalia, no. Ondangan was there. Estoque, another try.
Dikit na dikit yung blockers nila. Very choreographed. Kasi hindi mo naman matatanggal yung leadership sa player.
Ooh! Oh! Ball is still alive! And everyone thought that play was done. Hindi pa. Tuloy pa rin tayo. Omayam. Naiangat panigitigan. Nabuhay pa ng UE. Malingit.
Solid. Look at that. Hinabol pa niya, oh.
Adriaga will serve for the set. Nolasco, no. Anguerreyes was there. Cepada! Ng UE courtesy of the Sky Cepada attack. She just nailed 5 points in that first set. And that final hit to get set number 1, the first set to the tune of 25-22. 1,000 plus viewers from Facebook. Kasama rin si...
Core yan. Core values.
In the meantime, sa matinding palo lang, coming from that Jenny Basarte set.
Call na yun. Very close call. Wala pa.
Sige, sa kanila na yan. Ibabawi ko na lang kayo dito.
Pag-rejoice nila, very passionate. Medyo nanahimik. And that change in demeanor, Nogales.
Iniwas na sa blocker. Pangalan nila kay Cepada, nila kay si Balingit. Tapos Borromeo again! Isa. Ni Mary Grace Borromeo.
It's a Borromeo problem.
Nag-roll sa Billy Collegiate Challenge. Lalo na ngayon, di kita ng set natin. Kay Cepada! Got that one to go!
This attacker for UE trumps over that triple block.
That is a great possibility. Especially
Airball.
Jiangnan hotpot attack of the set galing kay Kai
Kasi so
Cepada.
parang napako sa floor yung defense.
Oo. That one went out! 23 na naig ang UE set 3 when we return. Simple-simple.
That's true. Although it doesn't mean na wala naman silang blocking or
Wala naman
net
sila.
defense. Pero, you know, that's contributing more. Kung yung UP kanina, merong mga offensive blocks yung tawag natin. Ito merong check blocks.
Oo.
Or doing very
Hindi nakikita sa points breakdown yan, pero malaking bagay din.
That's true, yung mga offset na hindi makabuelo yung mga attackers ng Benilde as well as they would want to. Although, nung second set, katulad na lang nito, si Estoque. She posed very good threat for CSB that third set for Benilde.
Del Castillo, unang sabak sa opensa, nakapuntos kagad. Never minding subconscious thought diba? Yung fear na yun
Oh, I think fear really plays a huge part with recovering if galing ka sa injuries.
Oh!
Yun, ang Nino Lasco, look at that.
One-on-one sa gitna. Siguro naman hindi na maaagaw sa atin itong set mo. Tulad na nangyari no set 2.
And yung errors. But that is very clean attack.
Kahit lamang sila dito sa set 3.
Tapos pag nakita mo naman si Coach Obet, nakasmile.
Second technical timeout. Panoorin muna natin itong Jiangnan Hotpot attack of the set galing kay Zam Nolasco. Gusto ng hotpot yan. Sigurado, basta kung gusto rin ng hotpot, attack na sa Jiangnan.
Kasi you can feel it, the tension, the energy inside the court.
Balingit no good. Borromeo. Rejected by Madriaga. Borromeo one more time. Dug by Ecalia. Nogales. Nandun si Maika. Rally goes on. Balingit. Couldn't get it. Estoque. Still cannot score. Cepeda from the back row. Ondangan from the middle. Balingit on the other side. Borromeo isa pa. Nobody giving an inch. Nandun si Gatigan. Ondangan couldn't finish. Balingit still no good. Borromeo sending it out.
Winner kami palagi.
Oh, winner. Oh, yun. Oh.
Under ako nung kay Coach Jerry. Although,
but you can feel the frustration eh. Diba?
hindi naman not common yun.
Oo. And that one will work. Magiging maparaan na lang ang UE. Pero, yung magiging creative nila, also translating into some points. By the way, by Doc Obet, wala nang timeout ang UE. Wala rin ng timeout ang CSB. Combination play, wala. Wewe, through the blockers.
Si Estoque din. Hindi
Sakto yung step back niya. Alam niya ibibigay sa kanya at hindi niya binigo yung setter niya. 1 point lead by the Lady Warriors. Estoque could not make it back to back. Madriaga to her attacker, kay Cepeda. Jiangnan hotpot attack. Mag-hotpot na talaga si Kai Cepeda, no? Basta sasabihin lang namin sa'yo, Kai. Here we go. Estoque. Wala pa. At tapusin na ba ng UE? Hindi pa. Sabi ng CSB, Nolasco rejected. Battle at the net. Recovered by Gatigan. Estoque, wala pa rin. Ecalia, Cepeda! All match long kay Cepeda. Yan lang ang ginawa. Basta third ball, umangat ang bola, nasa pwesto siya, papaluin niya.
Siya pa yung pinakamaliit sa kanilang lahat, pero yung palo niya pang big girl.
My goodness. The Lady Warriors trailing in all of their sets.